In this video, I'll show you how to download and install DeepSeek on your Windows PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for DeepSeek. Click on the official website, and once it opens, click the Start Now button. It may ask for confirmation to verify if you're human. Once done, you'll be taken to the login page. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up at the bottom right to create one. You can also continue with Google for a faster login. After signing in, you'll be directed to the web version of DeepSeek Chat. Now, to install DeepSeek as an app on your Windows PC, follow these steps. Click on the Chrome Settings menu, the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, and select Install Page as App. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Install. Once installed, DeepSeek will function as a standalone application. To access it easily, go to your taskbar, find the DeepSeek app, right-click it, and select Pin to Taskbar. Now, you can open it instantly whenever you need it. This app works just like the web version. You have all your chats on the left side. You can start a new conversation, and you can even upload documents and attachments. Everything functions the same. It's just now more accessible on your desktop. And that's how you install DeepSeek on Windows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.